why are we always searching for things to be pissed off at? Go and touch some grass. Go and care for your family. Go and make yourself a jam sandwich, you know? Claude AI can now create and edit Canva designs in the chat. And what this means, I was a bit confused, so just to clear up anything, is the Claude desktop experience actually integrates via MCP to Canva. I opened Canva and I created some, because I wanted some icons. I couldn't be bothered to bring in a designer to do them because they were just freaking stupid icon things or whatever.
Is this AI generated?
This is AI generated.
I don't love the design. I feel like I mean, it depends on where you use it, but I kind of do like it at the same time.
It's fine. Again, like
it's fine. Yeah.
As a designer, you need to understand value. There's a balance kind of between cost and how much you're going to earn. This little thing is not going to earn me any money, so I'm not going to go out and spend money on it. And I think this is AI in general, the democratization of certain things. This is the whole topic and the reason why I brought this article up. I saw some sort of discussion on someone's video about design being stolen, taking it from someone else's hard work. Creative industries just in general are very, very sensitive to AI. We talk about developers and open source, but again, come forward if you are a developer and you give a shit that the code you're using through Claude Code and whatever is technically my code. You've stolen my code because I've contributed to public repos out there. But the point is, the development community just does not care. And the creative industries, there is inspiration. Like, I write music. I would be lying to you if I didn't say, oh, you know, that pre-chorus in Nirvana's like Come As You Are, we should totally like take that, or something to that effect of like, oh, we should totally do it. I've heard big musicians say, oh, you know, Day in the Life by the Beatles, like that sort of feel. That is Mr. Blue Sky. Inspiration in the creative industries is totally there, but for whatever reason in the creative industries, AI is a very, very sensitive subject. I'm not going to claim there's a right or wrong. What I find difficult is to understand where the lines lie. Like, they just categorically hate AI, and it's like, well, you know, AI can be used to streamline an Excel document and pick out some numbers here or there. That's AI. You hate that? AI can be used to just remove a person from a photo. I could have done that myself very easily, but why not use AI to do that? Is that stealing because you've removed someone's photo? Anyway, I think I'm going on a little bit of a rant.
Do you know the line from the movie Fight Club that everything is a copy of a copy of a copy? There is this very, I would say, famous meme with designers say, look, we have similar ideas. And the other designer says, no, you stole my idea, and crying. Yeah. And then programmers, man, I stole your code. It's not my code. And this is so true. You know, open source, we just talked about it. Like, and I've seen this over and over. Again, I feel like a lot of developers are, it's just the mindset is different. And maybe because also code inherently is so exposed, especially when we are talking about the web. A lot of what we do, especially like front end, is just by default exposed. If somebody comes up with a really nice trick with UI or like whatever they do front end, you can just see how they are doing it. I know it's not as easy, but it's mostly exposed. Designers, a lot of what they do is kind of like behind. You don't see anything except the output, and that's why probably a lot of people are like a bit more sensitive to ideas being stolen. Just look at Twitter drama. When there are drama, like rarely you see drama about, you know, a programmer stealing code from another programmer. You pretty much never see that. You see a tons of like drama around like forking stuff, and you know, but not to the level that you see designers copying a hero section from another. It's like they go nuts about it. When we create a design for a client, we create mood board. Is that stealing? You could say so. Well, we are stealing ideas in a way, right? We are creating a mood board of beautiful ideas, and then we don't take literally a section of that design and turn it, into something else, but we kind of do from multiple designs. So at what point is that stealing? And at what point is it inspiration? It's very blurry.
Again, there's just hypocrisy written all over this. Like, all it's really done is stopped you. I was listening to this interview with the Perplexity talking about going out and doing some research. That person, you've saved that person so much time to have to go out and come to that same conclusion anyway. Like, you're not going to put forward a design that you haven't then thought, okay, that's something that feels like it's from me. We're speculating, but it's an interesting dilemma. It's something we're never going to land on a decision on. The only thing that's bothering me recently has been like, why are we always searching for things to be pissed off at? Like, there's way more important things to be pissed off at than just, I don't know. Again, maybe I'm just super sensitive to the YouTube thing, but I saw a comment just before this call about, like, they were complaining about someone's thumbnail being not looking like them or whatever, and the creator came out and said, "Look, we've got to create engaging thumbnails. This is a game. It's very competitive." Very amicable response. And it's like, this person in the comment section, I said, "Why are you choosing? Why is this having such an impact on your day? Why is this thumbnail having such an impact on your day? Go and touch some grass. Go and care for your family. Go and make yourself a jam sandwich,